Imagine unlocking the secrets to a woman's mind and knowing exactly what makes her tick. Intrigued, well, what if he told you that turning a woman on has less to do with your appearance and more with your understanding of subtle psychological triggers? Today, we're diving into 9 ways to captivate her completely. But be warned, you'll never look at attraction the same way again. And no, it's not just about candlelit dinners or reciting bad poetry. We're talking deep, irresistible chemistry. Stick around. Because number 7 will completely flip your perspective on attraction, and number 9, it's the secret nobody talks about. Point 1, emotional safety. Here's the thing. A woman can't feel turned on unless she feels emotionally safe. But what does that even mean? It's not about being her therapist. It's about showing genuine interest in what she's saying. Listen with your eyes, not just your ears. Pro tip: when she talks about something she's passionate about, ask a question. That shows you're really paying attention. It's like magic, but real. Now that we've covered the emotional groundwork, let's talk about the unexpected ways you can keep her intrigued. Point 2, playful teasing. What's the quickest way to kill chemistry? Being overly serious. Playful teasing creates a dynamic of excitement and unpredictability. Compliment her butt. Throw in a twist. Example: that dress looks amazing, but I'm not sure it's fair to the rest of us. See what I did there? Flirty, but fun. Of course, if your teasing ends with her rolling her eyes, you might want to dial it down a notch. 3, mastering body language. The way you stand, look, and even touch communicates more than words. Ever could want her attention? Mirror her movements subtly and lean in slightly. When she speaks, not too much, or you'll look like you're falling off your chair. But what's the most powerful move of all? Let's find out in point number 4. Point 4. The power of mystery. People are drawn to what they can't fully understand. Leave a little room for her to wonder about you. Don't spill your life story in the first 10 minutes. Instead, share intriguing snippets and let her ask for more. Curiosity isn't just for cats, it's for attraction 2. And speaking of curiosity, let's talk about the surprising way vulnerability plays into this. Point 5, authentic vulnerability. You might think showing vulnerability is a weakness, but the opposite is true. When you're comfortable sharing a personal story or admitting a mistake, it makes you relatable. Relatable is sexy. Just don't go overboard. She doesn't need to know about your 7th grade breakup right now. But what about the more prim side of attraction? That's where number 6 comes in. Point 6, the element of surprise. Did you know unpredictability can spark attraction? Plan something spontaneous. It could be simple as taking her to a hidden gem for coffee or showing her a new skill you've been working on. Routine is the enemy of excitement. Just don't surprise her by showing up unannounced at her house. That's not romantic. That's just creepy. 7, compliments with depth. Skip the generic "you're beautiful" line. Compliments something unique about her. Her laugh, her perspective, or how she lights up when she talks about her dreams. Specificity creates connection. But can you really turn her on without even speaking? Let's explore that next point. Silent confidence. Confidence isn't about bragging. It's about presence. Enter a room with ease. Hold eye contact and don't rush to fill every silence. Sometimes the most attractive thing you can say is nothing at all. And finally, the secret that ties everything together. Point N, building anticipation. Anticipation is the foundation of desire. Think about it. Why do we love trailers before a movie? The same applies here. Whether it's a lingering glance, a touch that lasts just a second longer, or even planning your next date before this one ends, leave her wanting more. So there you have it. 9 psychological secrets to get a woman truly turned on. But here's the thing, attraction isn't a game. It's about understanding. respect, and creating real connections. If you found this helpful, you'll definitely want to check out our next video, 5 Signs a Woman Has Slept with Many Men. Trust me, you won't want to miss the surprising insights we uncover there. Click here to watch now.